Hi there, Maria Martinez here, Intuit QuickBooks trainer and expert and 17 Hats ambassador. I want to make a video on when a 17 Hats business owner would start thinking about when it's the best time to transition from the 17 Hats bookkeeping function to an electronic software like QuickBooks Online or another full general ledger accounting software. So let's go ahead and look at some key areas in 17 Hats bookkeeping, and then let's move over into QuickBooks Online for demonstration to show you what you would find in a full general ledger accounting software versus what you have in 17 Hats. Okay, everyone, see you in the video. So let's start with the 17 Hats bookkeeping feature. And if you haven't watched my 17 Hats bookkeeping videos, please click on the links below in the video. So when you are in 17 Hats bookkeeping, you can absolutely bring in your transactions by either connecting the bank or even importing the transactions into your bookkeeping area. In addition to income coming through your invoicing from 17 Hats and reflecting the payments and even sales taxes in 17 Hats, you'll also be able to see all of your expenses because you've linked your bank to your 17 Hats. So all of that is working really well in 17 Hats. In bookkeeping, you also have these reports that we've covered in a separate video. But what's really important to understand is that 17 Hats bookkeeping is only showing you one side of your bookkeeping, which is your profit and loss. To have full general ledger accounting and full visibility of your business, you should be able to see your profit and loss and your balance sheet. That's not available in 17 Hats. Even if you bring in your transactions and some of these transactions are balance sheet related, meaning they're assets, liabilities, or equity, you won't be able to populate that report in 17 Hats bookkeeping. So that could be your first indicator that you're ready for a full general ledger accounting solution. Another indication could be that you want more robust accounting, reporting, and you want to make sure that everything is tying every month, and that would be done through reconciliations. Again, this is a simple bookkeeping area that does not provide that type of robust feature. So let's move into an accounting software and see what that looks like. Here I'm showing you QuickBooks Online, and here is where you'd have a robust list of financial statements. You'll now have access to both your profit and loss and balance sheet, which is essential to have full tax-ready books and full financial visibility of your business. You'll also be able to build out a statement of cash flow and have additional areas of your business that you can go deeper into, like your customers and accounts receivable, like accounts payable and your vendors area, and additional reports you can build out. You also will now have access to the reconciling of your books. Reconciling your books makes sure that your books and your bank and credit card records are tied and matched, and truly you could sleep at night making sure your books are tax ready year round. This is one of the key areas inside of QuickBooks Online. In addition to that, you can also build out a robust chart of accounts. So when you go to Transactions, Chart of Accounts, you can build out this chart of accounts so that way you can truly customize what your reports are going to look like. And then you can build out these cool bookmarks and quickly get your reports and do the deep dive review of your financial statements. And this is how you take your business from books to taxes, by creating tax-ready books year-round and then being able to use this data to transfer over to the tax return. Another favorite area inside of QuickBooks Online is going to be their bank transactions. This is where you can automatically connect bank and credit cards into QuickBooks Online. You have unlimited amount of bank and credit cards, and the categorization is also very simple, and it ties right back into, again, those general ledger accounts I showed you in the chart of accounts, and of course, it all ties back into the reports. These are just a few features inside of QuickBooks Online. And what's also important to know is that there's different versions of QuickBooks Online. So if you are considering moving from QuickBooks Online from 17 Hats, I can help you with that. So again, this is a more robust, full general ledger solution. And when you're in need of full general ledger and visibility, like your balance sheet and your profit and loss, when you want to verify all money in and money out through reconciliations, and also use additional features inside of QuickBooks Online, that's when you may consider moving from 17 Hats Bookkeeping to an online accounting solution like QuickBooks Online. But what's really important is that you understand first that you can use 17 Hats Bookkeeping to its optimized level. And then once you understand how to do the bookkeeping and categorization and you're using the reports in 17 Hats, that's when you're going to realize it's time to consider the transition. And guess what? When you're ready for that transition, go ahead and connect with me and I will help you through it. Hope this was helpful.